Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So in our previous episodes, we've talked about the different types of soils. We talked about sands, we talked about silts, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about clays. Clay soils are very abundant in our beach communities, believe it or not. So South Orange County, and then even San Diego, East San Diego County has a ton of clay soils. Clay soils are real densely compacted, fine material. They can become loose when they become dry and very brittle, and then when they're wet they can be very compacted but very slippery. So whenever you see slopes sliding off hillsides, more than likely you have a slip plane, a hard pan layer with some sort of clays that gets moisture, causes a little bit of slippage, and that's when it's able to go ahead and be freed to go down the hillside due to gravity. So clays are so expansive and contractive that they impact your house. Those are what we see 99% of the time that on the foundation repairs that we do is the biggest cause. So with your sprinkler systems next to your house with the clay soils expanding and contracting, your house is just literally going up and down. And it usually with gravity will end up being down further than it goes up. So think about that the next time you're outside planting things, watering stuff next to your house, and how much the clay soils can impact your house's foundation. And that's your foundation repair tip of the day.